Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about advanced typing tools and some new features. Let's go. Before starting with type tool, we have two new tools with the pen tool. Add anchor point and delete anchor point. Like this. I have a curvature like this. I can use add anchor point to add new anchor or delete anchor point. The first tool with us today is area type tool. This tool is used for typing in the shape like this. I will make an ellipse and use area type tool and stand on the border of the shape and click to type in the shape like this. And also I can make this action with the type tool like this. I can make an ellipse and use type tool and stand on the border of the ellipse and I can type in the shape. The second tool with us today, vertical area type tool. That is the same tool but vertical like this. Now I will write vertically. The third tool today is touch type tool. This tool is used for selecting one letter from a type, like this. If I write a paragraph like this, and I want to edit or change only one letter, choose touch type tool and choose the letter. Now I can change the size like this or the font again with other letter. Can make it another font or resize it. The last thing today is a new feature in typing. If I make a paragraph like this and resize it, some of the text will be hidden. And I can make another area for typing linked with this area like this. I will stop at this red icon and click and choose the position of the next area, and now I linked the two areas. If I resize it, the text will appear here like this, and I can make more paragraphs are linked with others, and if I select one of them, all text will select it like this.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.